Hello children, today we are going to learn a new topic, subtraction. So before starting the topic, let us know what is subtraction through a small activity. So here I have 15 cubes with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So in these 15 cubes, I will give 10 cubes to my friend. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So now I will give these 10 cubes to my friend. So students, how many cubes are remaining with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so the remaining cubes with me are 5. So now students, you can count the remaining cubes with you and find out how many cubes are left with you after giving it to your friend, or else you can write the total number of cubes which are 15 minus the cubes which are gave to your friend is 10. So 15 minus 10, 5 minus 0 is 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the left out cubes with me is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is we call a subtraction. When you give something to your friend and the remaining, how you will find it out, that is we call as subtraction. So students, now let us learn the terms which is involved in subtraction. So in subtraction, the bigger number called as minuend and the smaller number called as subtrahend, and the difference of that answer. So the answer of that subtraction is called the difference. So now let us learn the facts of subtraction. So the first fact of subtraction is, by subtracting 1 from a number, we get the previous number. So students, when you subtract 1 from a number, you will get the previous number of it. See, 7 is the previous number of 8, or you can tell it 7 is the predecessor of number 8. So see one more example, that is 9 minus 1. So when you subtract 1 from 9, you will get the previous number of 9, that is 8, or else 8 is a predecessor of 9. So students, the second fact of a subtraction is, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. So students, when we subtract the number by itself, see, for example, 10 minus 10. When you subtract 10 minus 10, you will get the answer as 0. 75 minus 75 is 0, because we are subtracting the number by itself. So the answer is 0. So the third property or the fact of subtraction is, subtracting 0 from a number means no subtraction. The difference is the number itself. So when you subtract 0 from a number means no subtraction, because when you subtract 0 from a number, you will get the same number back. 0 means nothing. So when you are subtracting nothing from a number, you will get that same number, means you are not doing any subtraction. And the second example is 103 minus 0 is 103. So it shows that when you subtract 0 from a number, you will get the same number back. So now students, we will solve some sums of subtraction. So find the difference. The first question, subtract 50 from 53. So students, always while subtracting, you need to write first the place values. Here there are 2-digit number, so tens and ones place will come. So after that, you need to arrange these numbers under these place values. So always while arranging the numbers during subtraction, you need to write the bigger number first. So in 50 and 53, which is the bigger number? Yes, 53 is a bigger number. So write 53. So after that 50 is the smaller number, write 50 after 53. So now find the difference. So start the difference by ones place, that is 3 minus 0. So subtracting 0 from a number gives you the same number back. So 3 minus 0 is 3 and tens place, that is 5 minus 5. So when you subtract a number from a number, you will give the answer as 0. Okay. So now 53 minus 50 is 3. So the difference between 53 and 50 is nothing but 3. So now we will see the next example, that is subtract 31 from 49. So arrange these numbers in the column tens and ones. So now which is the bigger number in this? Yes, 49 is a bigger number. So write 49 first. Then which is the smaller number? 31. So write 31 after 49. Now start subtracting the number from ones place. So now 9 minus 1. So students, keep 9 in the mind and 1 on a finger. Before 9, 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So now subtract the tens place number, that is 4 minus 3. So keep 4 in a mind and 3 on a fingers. Before 4, 3, 2, 1. So write here 1. So now the difference of 49 and 31 is 18. So students,